Bicystar Group Adult Bicycle Factory is located in Tianjin, China. Our factory has frame welding production line, paint production line and assembly workshop. From welding, painting, decals to assembly workshops, the frame is suspended in the air throughout the entire process, effectively avoiding bumps caused during transportation. Imported fully automatic wheel making equipment and wheel set correction equipment lay the foundation for manufacturing precision and high-quality bicycles. We have an excellent production system covering R&D design, frame welding and paint decals, accessories procurement, QC, assembly, sales and after-sales department, etc., with clear division of labor. Our technology level has reached the world's similar standards. Advanced production equipment ensures that each batch of products can be produced efficiently and accurately. At present, our products have passed the EU EN standards, the US CPSC, and UL standard, and sold to more than 120 countries and regions in the world. Bicystar Group Children Bicycle Factory is located in Qingtai, the largest industrial production base. Our welding workshop adopts semi-automatic processing, integrates advanced production technology, and completes the frame production by intelligent mechanical equipment. While improving efficiency, it also achieves the minimum error between each product and ensures that the quality meets strict standards. We have our own design team to design trademarks and styles and colors for customers. The latest paint color process has consistently received positive feedback from customers from different countries. The skilled hoop weaving process has greatly improved efficiency. Each rim in the wheel set is corrected by a rim correction machine, and high-quality materials are used to ensure product quality. We attach great importance to quality control before mass production of bicycles, and install, debug and check the details of pre-production samples. Customer satisfaction is the purpose of our service and we strive for excellence. Each link has a professional and responsible team to control. We have 2 professional installation of the assembly lines. Children Bicycle Factory SKD assemble annual output can reach 600,000 PCS. The packaging materials commonly used by our factories include foam, bubble film, 5-layer corrugated boxes, etc. The use of these materials can provide sufficient cushioning capacity during transportation to prevent impact or crushing. Besides, we have a professional service team, from order confirmation to delivery and after sales, to ensure that every link is smooth and worry-free. Welcome to visit Bicystar Group.